Hi there everyone, since this is Mother's Day weekend, I wanted to make a cute little miniature gift. So we're doing the miniature gift baskets and the cute rose teddy bears. Before we start, I'm going to ask that you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So I have our material scrolling. I use lots and lots of items in here, and I may have missed a couple of things in here, but you can refer to this list. We're going to start off with a little piece of cardboard, and we're going to use our ruler to measure off 2 inches, and we'll cut that out. Then we'll get the bamboo skewers, and I'm going to hot glue a bamboo skewer to the side of the cardboard. Using caution with hot glue, of course. I'll trim it with our pet clippers and file it down with a nail file. Nice and smooth. Then I'll continue to file, glue, and cut around the perimeter of the cardboard. I want to add a little color, so I am going to just use a marker. It's a lot quicker and easier than using paint. So from here we'll take popsicle sticks, and I'm going to cut really tiny 1 centimeter measurements. I'll file down with my nail file and then carefully glue onto the tops of the wooden skewers. So we'll cut, file, and glue all the way around. I have a little small empty spot, so I'll file down the popsicle stick to fit inside. I'm also going to just file a little bit to make it even, and from there we'll cover with some more wooden skewers. So the back of the box is kind of janky, but that's fine. It'll be in the back. So we're going to make items to put inside of our gift basket. The quickest way to make bottles is to glue beads together. So I'm going to glue 3 beads together. And to make a label, you could either go to a sales ad or print something out. I'm just using the scrapbooking paper. To make the tops, I'll use craft foam. Just punch a hole out, glue it up top. And to make a little pump bottle, I'll roll up craft foam, insert it in the bead, and then cut out a little triangle shape to be like the top of the lotion bottle. And a little small detail, I put some gold curling ribbon around the tops. Now I'm going to make slippers to put in our gift basket. I'm tracing out a dow's foot, and then I'll cut it out, flip it on both sides, cut it out on craft foam, make another set of scrapbooking paper. Then we'll cut a small piece of ribbon and glue it across the craft foam in a little loop. And then we'll glue the scrapbooking paper on top of there. Quick, easy slipper, little bath slipper. I'm going to make a loofah by taking tulle, folding it accordion style, tying a knot with a little piece of ribbon, and then fluffing it out. Quick, instant bath loofah. I'm going to make a little candle by cutting a piece of the glue stick, heating up the very tip with the glue gun, and just pushing through a little piece of wire, clipping it, and then making a little cover with scrapbooking paper. Quick and easy. So we're going to add a few more items to our gift basket. I am going to draw out a curved shape on a popsicle stick and use our nail file to file that shape. I'm going to take a little wooden bead, glue it onto the ends, and it creates a little hand massager, that little roller. And then I took the second half of the popsicle stick, drew out a shape, used the file it into place. Then I'm going to add a little bit of glue and glitter to make a little foot file for our feet. Last item we're going to add for our gift basket is a little piece of felt with a little piece of string tied around it. A nice little hand towel for our bath set. So before we put the items in our gift basket, I'm going to make little risers just by gluing cardboard and covering it with tissue paper. And it doesn't have to be neat or anything like that. As a matter of fact, the little lumps in there is cool. So I made 3 of them. One is stacks of 3, the other stacks of 2. I'm going to put in a little piece of tissue paper in our basket, put in our tall riser in the back, put in our 2 short risers in the front. And I'm also going to cut a little piece of cardboard, fold it in half, cover it with the tissue paper, and stick that in the back of our gift basket. So from here I'm going to put our items in for display, and I just put a little tiny bit of glue on the ends so everything can stay in place. I'm inserting our bottles, our candle, stuffing in the loofah and the towel. And putting our slippers in the back. And then adding our foot file and our little hand massager. Here are our items. Oops, and I gotta fix that part right there. So I got that fixed, and this part is optional. We're just gonna cover it up with clear plastic and a clear rubber band. Just gonna fold up the sides. Use our rubber band to close it up, and then I tucked this little ribbon right through there. And here's our gift basket. Super cute, quick and easy. Now I also had these roses that I bought for a different event. I had tons and tons of them. They're not quite to scale. They're a little too large for a 1/6 play scale, but I got an old dirty sock and I'm gonna stuff it. I'm gonna try to make like a snowman shape. So I stuffed it at the top, tied it off with some string, then I'll stuff it some more to make like the body. Tie that off with a string. I'm gonna try to create a teddy bear shape. Cut that off, and I want it to stand, so I'm just gonna cut out a circle of cardboard, and it's got the white craft foam at the bottom. So I'll use lots of glue and glue our sock to the bottom of the cardboard so our little teddy bear could stand. Then I'll use more craft foam to roll up, and I'm going to create the little mouth shape, arms, legs, and ears with craft foam. So I have the basic shape of our teddy bear, and I'm going to start peeling the roses off and gluing them to the teddy bear. And you just want to make sure that you space it nicely. And this is 118 roses later. We have our rose teddy bear. Just added a little bow. And there you are. These are cute little perfect Mother's Day gifts for our tiny dolls. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was really fun putting this together. I was being really creative and just completely making up stuff as I went along. And I think the basket is super, super cute. So again, thank you so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms out there. I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for leaving comments. And I want to officially welcome Scarlet Kitten to the red carpet for leaving a comment on the last video. Again, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. And remember, it's more fun to make it.